Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Linus. If you're new here, welcome. We're heading out to buy some new plants. Then we're gonna come back and do some watering and repotting because my plants need it so badly. We're at the plant store. Hopefully I can only pick a few plants and live with those. I don't want to carry a bunch of plants and I don't want to spend too much money. The pots that I just showed you guys, I love them so much. I feel like they really go with the aesthetic that I look for. They don't really have the most drainage, but they work for what I'm looking for. They're just cute. I am back from shopping, and you know what I said about not buying anything and just not getting tempted? Wow, say less. Here's my package. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting. This is the baby that I got. The next pot that I got is this pretty yellow. I love this color. It is just, it's so pretty. The last purchase was this tiny cute green pot. Really cute. I love this pot because it's just so cute. Guys, that is where my money went. Am I ashamed? No. Am I excited? Yes. I'm very happy about my purchases. The next thing on the agenda is going to show you guys all my plants, so come with me. We're in the kitchen and behind me are these very dry plants that I have to water, and I also have some repotting to do. All my plants, literally all of them, are extremely dry. All of them, very dry plants. The soil is actually crying for help. I propagated this one and it's already started to give me new growth, so I'm very excited about that. This, let me just show you. I don't know if you can see the soil. The soil is absolutely dry. It's really sad. Again, I keep checking my alocasias. I don't see any spike mites on there. This one is doing absolutely beautiful. I got me a Monstera Thai constellation. I got this one from Target. It was like $25. And if you know that Monsteras are not cheap. So I'm very excited about this one. I have the same plant. This one was just taking forever to grow. I don't know if any of you have watched my short videos, but in my short videos, I show you that there was a leaf coming, and this is the new leaf. It's obviously way bigger than the rest of them, and it's very healthy. I've got a few more coming, and I'm very excited. It looks very good and healthy. This is what I was telling you guys, to not be afraid of buying plants, especially when you intend to buy plants that can tell you when they're thirsty. This plant right here is the Scindapsus tricolor 3. This is very rare and it was very expensive. I'm not really sure why I allowed it to look this way. I really shouldn't. I should not be allowing a plant that is expensive to look this way. I cut part of it out and I'm trying to have it propagated. This is literally what we mean when plants tell you that they're thirsty. They will look really sad. Like the leaves are just very droopy. The leaves are just folding downwards. It's just very dry. It needs a lot of help. If you have a Hoya crinkle, know that these have succulent leaves. Okay, you see these leaves? These are very thick succulent leaves. And the good thing about Hoyas, especially this one, Hoya crinkle, is that whenever it dries, it tends to keep some of its water in the leaves, so then it doesn't suffer from drought. And then finally, I'm going to briefly talk about this plant. I will make another video, probably a short video, about this plant right here. This is called a Dieffenbachia, also known as dumb cane. This plant right here can be toxic to pets, toxic to kids. If you have little kids or pets, put this plant somewhere where they can't reach it. Otherwise, if it's chewed or it goes into the eyes, it can become very irritating. It can cause swelling, drooping, pain, and a whole bunch of stuff that you could possibly find yourself in the hospital. It is a very beautiful plant, but just be careful. Now to some of the plants that I need to repot quickly before we water. I need to repot this Monstera Thai constellation because the soil just is not, it's not for me. This is one of my absolute favorite pots. I love the mushrooms. The bottom part is even better. Like, look at that. It's giving plate. Like, I could literally eat off of that. This is literally supposed to be a plate. It's a mushroom planter. I got it from plant store slash, but I don't know, it was a plant store with a bunch of clothes and other things. I basically cut off my monstera, and this is the parts that I planted, and it's just looking really sad. Whenever I cut off this monstera, it already had like roots that were growing, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna plant this. It already has roots. I don't have to propagate it and do all that stuff. I'm not sure if it's the pot or if it's the plant itself, but this literally rotted. The whole thing is rotted, and there's been a lot of yellowing. The only surviving is this leaf, and there were a bunch more others. Like, it's absolutely dead. So I need to find a different plant for this pot, because if I try to see, let me see, and I just made a mess. Yeah, see, this part too is also rotting. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but that part is absolutely dark. It's rotting as well. So I'm gonna have to do something with this one. It's not looking too good. I'm gonna have to figure out what other plant I'm gonna put in here. I would assume putting a plant that tends to get dry in here, otherwise it's just, it may not work. So alright, so those are the plants that I'm taking care of. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a synopsis, and then we're gonna be watering it before my camera dies.
Sigo a saber que lo que me gusta. Sigo a saber que esto no me asusta. Yo vine a estar contigo, bailar contigo, quedarte toda la noche pegadita conmigo. Es un secreto que tú me gustas, así que me encanta cada vez que tú me buscas.
I've got to pose so I can talk to you guys for a little bit. This is one of my favorite plants. I have showed this plant on my TikTok, but I thought I'd show you guys here. The leaves are just gigantic. It is so healthy. I was able to cut some of it, and I'm trying to grow them right here, which I've not really been doing a great job of taking care of them because they desperately needed water. And I should have been watering these because I just repotted them after propagating them, so they definitely needed a little bit more care than I've given them. But this is the baby. We're almost to the end of the video. The last thing that I have to do is repot some of my plants. I only have 2 plants to repot, so I'm gonna repot one in this video, then the other one I'm gonna make another video, a short video, and then you guys can go watch that one. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you've made it this far, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the subscription, and I just appreciate that you're here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. Let's go repot.